Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you the tutorial for how I did this look on my hair. Do you like my hairstyle? It is Crochet Passion Twist. It's the first I've ever done anything like this on my hair. It's a very good protective hairstyle, so if you're looking to give your hair a break, this is a very good option. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching the video and enjoy the tutorial. By the way, if you're new here, welcome to my channel and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. And for those long-time subscribers who've always watched and supported my videos, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy the video. This is a hair. I bought it from Shein. It came like this in this package. Let me just open it up because I'm gonna prep this hair before I put it on. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. 8 packs. This is it. Show you in each of those 8 packs you get 12 strands of hair. So I'm just showing you right here. So now let's move on to prepping the hair. Do you see how bouncy this hair looks? It looks so good. I can't wait to put it on. But I cleanse the hair with some water and vinegar and some shampoo. I have very sensitive skin and I gotta make sure I wash the hair before I put it on my head. Do you guys do that? Or I'm sure I saw another YouTuber do this and I thought I would really like to try it. And then to rinse the hair to get rid of the vinegar scent, I add a little bit of lemon essential oil to some clean water and just rinse it out. And then I hung the hairs to dry before I install them the following day. So it's the next day and here are the supplies I'm using. My little brush with the rat tail, a white tooth comb, this claw clip, scrunchie. I need these duckbill clips because my hair is short, so I need those clips to keep it apart. I need elastic bands, of course, and my crochet tool, gotta have that. I'm using some Blue Magic hair conditioner, my Shine and Jam, and the hair, of course. So now let's get started. This is my hair. I'm just gonna condition it with the Blue Magic hair. And I put that in the front, make sure everything is evenly distributed throughout my hair before I start working on it. And then I just detangle, make sure I don't have any tangles. I use my white tooth comb to detangle my hair. Now I'm just gonna part in 2 at the front. Take this part down right on top of my hair on both sides. I'm doing the same thing on both sides. Now that one side is done, I just moved on to the next side to do the same thing. If you watch my hair, any video that I've done my hair before, you know that I don't really be a perfectionist. I don't go for perfect parts. I just want to make sure my hair is parted to get it how I want it to look, but I don't do the extra thing or put any extra effort in getting perfect parts. So now I've started on the back. I'm just braiding the hairs straight down to the back. Does not have to be perfect either. It does not have to be neat because we're gonna put hairs on that. So let me just braid this one down to show you how I do it. course, I secure the end with an elastic band.
With the back. Look at that, I've finished braiding the back, and I'm just gonna move on to the front. For the front, I'm gonna do standalone braids because I want it to look as natural as possible, so I'm not gonna braid these ones over. I'm gonna do standalone parts. These duckbill clips, they really come in handy to keep your hair together and out of the way when you're working on a section. So I'm just securing this first section with an elastic band before I add the crochet here. So now to add the hair, I just insert the crochet tool and then put the end of the hair onto the crochet tool, pull it through my hair, and then pull the other end through. I'm going to show you slower what I do so that you can get it to do your hair too. And then I just twist my natural hair along with the passion twist. So let me show you slower how it's done. Let's just get this part out of the way first. And then I'm going to section this in 3 smaller parts. Of course, I'm going to secure each one with the elastic band. That's the only way we're going to get it to put the passion twist on. So all 3 sections have been secured with elastic bands now. So I'm going to show you how to put the passion twist onto your hair. You're going to take the crochet tool, make sure it is open, and insert it underneath the elastic band. Then you put the hook over the loop, or the loop over the hook, and then pull the hair through. After I pull the hair through, I put the other end of the passion twist onto the hook and pull it through, like you're basically pulling it through itself. You want to pull it tightly so that it sits tightly on your hair. Then I just added some the Let's Jam, the Shine and Jam gel onto my natural hair, and then twist it together with the passion twist. We're gonna do this one more time, because after watching this tutorial you should be able to do your hair yourself. So that's what it looks like. Here we go again. Take the loop of the passion twist. You're gonna put the crochet tool underneath the elastic band on your hair. Make sure it is open. Push it through. Then put the loop of the passion twist onto the hook of the crochet tool and close it. Then pull it through your hair. Now when you get to the end, you're going to add the end of the passion twist and pull it through its own loop, if you get what I'm saying. Pull it through the loop, and then you pull it to tighten it onto your hair, and then pull your natural hair as well to make sure everything is tight. Then you just add some gel to your natural hair and twist it together with a passion twist so that everything blends seamlessly together and it looks as natural as possible. all there is to it. So now I trust that you can do your own crochet passion twist. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this hair and show you what it looks like when everything is all done. The only difference is that you're putting the hair underneath your natural braids instead of the elastic bands, but it is the same procedure. You just do that until your entire head is covered with the passion twist. So I'm just gathering the front to just put it out of the way so I can work on the back. Same thing, you insert the crochet tool under your braided hair, hook the passion twist onto the hook of the crochet tool and pull it through. Then you just I did not use a crochet tool to pull the end right here. Just use my fingers to open the loop and pull the end of the passion twist through it, because you can do that as well. I put about 6 strands of the passion twist on each of these braids that I had in the back of my head. Used my fingers to feel where the last one was and then move up a little further and put another passion twist until the entire braid in each row has been covered with a passion twist. To be honest, the back was much easier than the front. Painless, and it does not damage your hair. So it's a very good protective style to give your hair a break, and that you can do yourself. It's inexpensive. All you gotta do is buy the hair and do it yourself. So this is what the back looks like when it's finished. I think I like the color too. Now let's just take on the front to see the entire thing. This is what it looks like. To style it, I'm just in a little half up, half down style because I didn't want to leave everything hanging out. I think this looks good on me. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys for sticking and staying. Let me know if you enjoyed the video by giving me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and share, comment, and let me know if you've done this or if you will try it. And thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.